Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to spoiler an image on Discord mobile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to spoiler this image. So for that, first of all we need to rename the image. So tap on the image and click on rename file and make sure your keyboard is uppercase and now type spoiler and then give an underscore, and now you can give your image name. And after that click on save. So the image is now ready to spoiler. Now tap above the image and click on send, and from here select Discord and now add a comment here. Share to, here you have to select your channel or category. So I'm going to select here this channel and now simply click on this little send icon, and here you can see my photo has been spoiled. And now if I tap above the photo, here we can see the photo. So this was how we can spoiler an image on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.